Hi all, welcome to another video. Finally, I have some good news because I have the latest version of Zebronics 9900 software with me, and this time again it was from a subscriber of the channel, Vaibhav Srivastava. Thank you my dear friend, and thank you for also allowing me to share this to the audience, and I hope this video helps a lot of you guys. And this time I'm going to make it very short and sweet. You need a pen drive, and your pen drive needs to be in FAT32 format. So give me 1 second. Alright, I already have my previous version with me. Just to reconfirm. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll click on properties. As you can see, this is FAT32 and we need a FAT32 format. So what I'll do is I'll simply replace the file. The only file that needs to be here is your update file and nothing else. Except this spupdate.bin, you should not have anything else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the previous version. I'm going to just delete it. This always takes some time. And now what I'll do is I'll go to my version 91. I'll just copy the file. Alright, I'm going back to my pen drive. I'm pasting it. So I hope you're clear till here. And I'm just checking, taking my pen drive out, walking towards my soundbar. Sorry, the camera is out of focus. I just put my pen drive, and what I'll do is it shows no file, which is very common, and don't mistake by this. What you have to do is you have to go to input, you have to go to your aux mode. Before that, what I'll do is I'll just click right click, left click, and OK. I am on version 90. So what I'll do here is there are two ways. First is double click left, double click right, OK. If this does not work, what you have to do is you have to click on the mute button for a while. It will take you to menu. Now here, just recheck the version you're on. Alright, you're on version 90. You're going back to UPG. Now click on this UPG. As you can see, it is slowly updating. And all you have to do is click on main upgrade and click OK. It will start the update. Right, I'm staying with you in this video. I just want to make sure I do it properly so that you also can have a similar effect. Sometimes it will get stuck at 100. Even if it is stuck at 100, this particular version they told it will get stuck at 100. So what you can do is you can wait for a couple of minutes, and once you are done, let's say 2 or 3 minutes of buffer time, you can just shut down the soundbar and turn it back on, and then you will see version 91. Alright, I'll give it some time. I just want to make sure I'm staying through the video. This has already been a long video. I thought it was a short video. Yeah, I'll just power it off, power it back on. Now, okay, so once it is on, you can see it is on Bluetooth mode. You go to input, you go to right click, left click, OK. There you have it, version 91 in the flesh. And I haven't turned my TV on, so now that's pretty much it. If you are following a similar step, you have successfully installed your version. So I'll go here, I'll click on version. The main version is 91. Bluetooth version is 56 this time. MCU version is 135 still, and this is at 28. So overall, you're in a good position. I'll just test it out. I want to ensure I test it out for a while, and I'll give a proper review about it. So I'll continue then. So I've been testing this particular update for a while now, guys, and to be honest, Zebronics kind of outdid this particular version. And if you really ask me, is it too much of a difference from version 90 in terms of all the other aspects? Maybe the center channel is slightly crispier, and your Atmos is where the real fun begins. With this particular update, the Atmos channels have become so good. I have no words to describe how good they are, because this is near perfect, and I never thought Zebronics can pull something off like this. And the reason is because they have made this particular version for the JukeBar 10,000, and they have also tweaked a similar version for the 9900, and they've released it. It is not available in the public hands. I got it from the friend I mentioned, Vaibhav Srivastava. So he sent me the file and I tried installing it. I also sent it to a couple of my friends before trying this out, and all of us have the same opinion. The Atmos channels have become amazing. It's not, I'd like to show you how good it is. I don't think you'll be able to feel the difference, but it's too good. It's too good. Now, guys, I don't know how much of this I can put it on YouTube and how much of this you might have heard, but the end conclusion is this particular version of version 91 is just amazing, guys. You have no idea how happy I am today after this particular installation. Now it shows version 91 as I just installed it, and I'm really happy with this product now. I was already happy with version 90. This is cherry on top for me, my dear friends, because the way you listen to audio, especially the Atmos, kind of changed with this particular update. I don't know if we'll have another update, but if this was the last update I ever had for this particular model of 9900, I'll be happy about it. There is a couple of nitpicks I would like to point out. The DTS HD and DTS HD Master Audio is still shown just as DTS HD in the beginning, and that kind of is a bummer. I'd like to, at least see that being fixed one day, because it will show DTS in the beginning and nothing else. So as you can see here with eARC, too much of sound. Now once I click info, it is just DTS. So once I go back and I try to play it again, it is shown as DTS HD. See? But once I click info, it is DTS. Once I go forward, it is shown as DTS HD. So this is one of the nitpick I have. I don't know if they'll fix it, but I hope they do. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this particular update kind of makes you all happy as well. You know the drill. Drop me an email and I'll send you the file. Looking forward to a lot of you reaching out, and I will see you all in another one.